everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my May 2019 Target Beauty Box. And they only had one this month, which I picked up. This is what it looks like. I think it's pretty. I really like purples, blues, that sort of stuff. So let's go ahead and open this up. And the little card's falling out and things are starting to fall. So let's go ahead and get this open as quickly as possible. That's what it looks like. All right. See a couple of things that are kind of interesting to me. All right, so the theme this month is Festival Beauty Headliners. That's what it looks like. It says Coachella, EDC, Governor's Ball, festival season is finally here. To help you stand out from the crowd and make your life just a little bit easier, we rounded up the beauty headliners that will make you the star of the show. Try them out, and if you love them, check them out at target.com/beautybox. And there is a $3 off a coupon of a beauty purchase of $15 or more for cosmetics, skincare, and hair care. So, all right. Like I said, this is what the box looks like. There looks like some things are kind of loose in here, but let's go ahead and get into it. All right, I'm going to pull this first item out here. This is from Sinful Colors. It is a nail polish, and it looks like it's the shade Full for Azul. It is a pretty baby blue shade. I don't think that focused. Sorry about that. But let's go ahead and read from the card. This is Sinful Colors Nail Polish Full for Azul. Easy to use brush effortlessly glides across nails, ensuring that polish goes on perfectly and that you'll make a splash in this playful aqua hue. You know the one thing that I need to get? I used to love painting my nails. When I was a kid, I used to love painting my nails. In fact, this is how I stopped biting my nails. I had such a nail biting habit when I was a kid. And I convinced myself that if I painted my nails, I would be eating nail polish, and nail polish is poison, so I would be poisoning myself. I don't know. That's what I came up with. So I quit biting my nails. My nails typically grow fairly long. They're pretty strong, but I hate trying to get nail polish on and getting it all over my skin. Now, I have seen a couple of nail polish channels where they do the latex, right? You put on the liquid latex, and then all you have to do is peel it right off when you're done painting your nail. I need to get myself some of that stuff. Anyway. All right, we're going to go ahead and pull this out right here. This is from Mask Bar. It's a holographic foil peel-off mask. All right. That is what it looks like. Yeah, I'm not sure that it's going to really show because it is absolutely holographic in the packaging, and I have a light there. So this is, let's see if I can find it on the card. Mask Bar Holographic Mask Sachet. Sachet. Holographic peel-off mask helps revitalize, moisturize, and illuminate the appearance of skin. Hello, glow. All right. Let's pull this out right here. This is from Dove. It's the dry spray in Go Fresh. I really enjoyed this scent. This is the scent that I purchased when I purchased my soap for the shower, my bar soap. I do use Dove bar soap every single day, and I enjoy the Go Fresh scent. It's very awakening almost. Like, it really makes me wake up in the morning. So I usually get the regular Dove, I don't know, the unscented one, the original one. But I'll buy like a package of both and I'll flip-flop them. Anyway, Dove Cool Essentials Dry Spray Antiperspirant. Dry Spray Antiperspirant goes on instantly dry, leaves underarms feeling soft and smooth, and provides protection that lasts for up to 48 hours. So I'm going to give that to John. I think he would really like that. Okay. Let's go with this right here. This is from Bliss. It's the Jelly Glow Peel. Gentle, non-abrasive exfoliator with fruit enzymes. I'm going to open this and smell it real quick, see what it smells like. Oh, it has a safety seal. I am not going to open it. That is awesome. Okay. That is what it looks like. Okay. So this is the Bliss Jelly Glow Peel. Bouncy jelly peel gently exfoliates and hydrates, leaving skin soft, fresh, and perfectly primed for smooth makeup application. There is a tip. When skin is damp, dot onto cheeks, forehead, and chin. Then gently massage in a circular motion to sweep away impurities. Okie dokie. Let's do this one next. This is from SGX NYC. The Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. Volume, refresh, and hold. Dry shampoo meets hairspray. Okay. So this is the SGX NYC, the Do-It-All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. 3-in-1 formula texturizes, amplifies, and refreshes hair, instantly absorbing oil, so day-old locks look bouncy and full of life. There is a hint for added fullness. Spray with head upside down. I don't use this, and no one in my house uses this, so I'm going to put this in my giveaway drawer. One of you guys will get it, and maybe some of these other things will go in my giveaway drawer as well. We'll see. All right. Next item right here is from Hawaiian Tropic. It's an antioxidant refresh sunscreen mist, SPF 30. Okay, I'm going to actually open this up and give it a scent, or smell. A scent. Give it a scent. I'm going to give it a smell. Okay. Ooh. It smells... Okay. Okay. It's not smelling as bad as when I first opened it up. When I first opened it up, it smelled almost like nail polish. Anyway, that is what it looks like. All right. So this is from Hawaiian Tropic. It's the Antioxidant Sunscreen Mist. Oil-free, weightless, and moisturizing sunscreen mist is formulated with age-proofing antioxidants and is ideal for touch-ups on the go. Okay, it says good for face and body. All right, and then the last item in here, I don't even know what this is for. And one of the little rings fell off. Oh, you know what? I know what this is for. Hold on. Let me get the ring back in. Maybe I can get it back in. Okay. So this says, Sincerely Jules from Squinchy. I think I know what this is. Let me read the card because I'm not 100% certain. They're little dangly rings. Okay. Yeah, that's what I thought it was. Sincerely Jules assorted jewelry hair rings. Loop through a boho braid or place around the crown of a high ponytail for festival-ready locks in a blink. How to. Simply weave into sections of hair, then secure with a spritz or two of hairspray. I will probably never use these. So I'm going to put this in my giveaway drawer because I just, honestly, I won't ever use them. I used to wear my hair in a ponytail every single day. Now I try to wear it down every single day. So I really don't do a lot of hair looks like at all. So I'm going to put this in my giveaway drawer. Okay. So let's recap. I paid $7 for this box. I got the hair rings, which are cute. I just know I will never use them. The dry shampoo, which again, I won't use. We don't use it in our house. The Jelly Glow Peel, which is an exfoliator, which this might also go in my giveaway drawer. I'm not sure. I have a lot of exfoliators as well. The dry spray Go Fresh in the Cool Essentials scent. I will probably give that to John to keep like in his car because I don't use antiperspirants. And then the sunscreen mist from Hawaiian Tropic. And then this is a really pretty shade actually. For me, I really like blues. The Fool for Azul from Sinful Colors. For $7, y'all, I think I definitely got $7 worth of products. I really, really do. And I got a $3 off coupon, which I will use. It's good on cosmetics, skincare, and hair care. I think I said that already. I typically will use these. I'm always buying something, whether it be shampoo or conditioner, or I've been buying the Sonia Kashuk brushes recently. I really am enjoying those, or, you know, just different things. So I will definitely use this. Oh my gosh. I forgot about the mask. The Mask Bar holographic foil. I definitely got $7 worth of products. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, please hit that red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below as well. I really do appreciate everything you guys do to interact with me. I am very, very grateful. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye, y'all.